Hi guys, my name is Angela and I run the TPT store called 6th Grade So Lit, where you can find a lot of these specific self-checking English language arts related worksheets that your students can complete. A lot of them are labeled as escape rooms, so I'm just going to show you a little bit about how they work, and hopefully you can use them in your classroom. So this one is all about plot. So as you know, rising action, exposition, falling action, all that good stuff. This one's a multiple choice worksheet. So you would read the question, okay, and this first one I just have done for you just so you can kind of see. Rising action was the answer. Then there's a little down arrow to show you that the first letter of the code has popped up down here. Now, when you're looking at this, you want to find the little down caret for your options, okay? And the answer to this one, blank, is where you learn character, setting, background info. That one we know is exposition, but first I want to kind of show you what a wrong answer would look like. So let's click resolution, and no code pops up. The answer turns red. It lets your student know without having to talk to you, ask you about it, whatever. It lets them know automatically that was not the right answer. So you go back up, and that's the right answer. And then there's a little cheeky message at the bottom to kind of keep them roped in. After they complete all 7 questions, they see the whole code. They'll type it in the box down here. So double click. I believe stories was the code for this one. Here you can click the enter button or just anywhere else on the screen, and victory is mine. I'm out of here. In order to delete answers, you would just click on the box and click the delete button. Same thing here, click on the box, click on the delete button. Let me show you what a fill in the blank version would look like, and this one is great for differentiation. You type in the word instead of the multiple choice bar, and boom, same worksheet, just you have to type in the answer, and it tells you right here, type in the answer, instead of using the multiple choice. Here's a word bank, and the code works exactly the same. So I'm just going to delete that answer. And a new one that I'm working on here, main idea. Some of the self-checking worksheets look like this instead, where they have to read a paragraph and choose the correct answer. Again, if they get the wrong answer, red, nothing happens, delete, okay, for a fresh worksheet. And this one's a little bit interesting because I added a key detail area where they can type the answer here instead of making the whole thing multiple choice. This gives a little bit of an open-ended. It's, key details, main idea, they go together. Scroll to the bottom. After they get all the answers, they have to type the code in backwards for this one, okay? Makes it a little bit more interesting for them. And yeah, those are the self-checking worksheets.